Hi, today I'd like to give a tech tip for how to decode a Quad SPI, for example, a external flash memory. Um, I have noticed that I couldn't find any applicable information readily off the Tektronix website, and however, what I've been able to do is use a decoding technique by using the parallel input decoder and then porting the information over into a spreadsheet and massaging the information until I get the information that I need to decode it. So, okay, here's a screen capture from my oscilloscope using the SPI decoder. However, the problem with this particular flash memory is it has 4 I/O ports, and so as you can see here, the typical SPI decoder, MSO and MOSI, didn't really work correctly, and so I had to again use a different technique to decode the information. Okay, so looking back at the document for the component, as you can see, it has 4 I/O pins, and of course it has the clocking input, and also has the chip select. And so what I've done is I took the information and from the oscilloscope in 4-bit nibbles and then ported it over into a spreadsheet. And as you can see here in the spreadsheet, what I've done is on the columns B is the 4-bit nibbles captured from the external flash, and then columns D and anything on to the right, that's where I've taken that information from the one single column and put it in multiple columns on the right hand side. So you can see, for example, EB00200, and if you look on column D4, I changed it from vertical to horizontal blocks, and then that information seemed like it was working correctly, so I thought I would just pass that information along. Thank you and have a good day.